So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and see how you can go through and charge up your Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Now doing this is actually very basic, and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and grab some sort of charging cable for your particular Pixel Buds. Now for your Pixel Buds Pro 2s, you can charge them via a wireless connection or a USB connection. So with our Pixel Buds Pro 2s, you can see we have a little charging port at the bottom. To charge up your Pixel Buds, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and plug in the charging cable of your Pixel Buds on the bottom of your Pixel Buds Pro 2s. So go through, plug in with a USB Type-C cable your Pixel Buds Pro 2s right inside of your charging cable like this. What you will see is that your Pixel Buds will then go ahead and basically start charging, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. Now, you can let them charge. If you see this little charging indicator, that means they're basically charging. A big thing to keep in mind though is that within your Pixel Buds, they will have to go through and charge up for a while. You also have wireless charging capability as well. So you can always go through and wirelessly charge up your Pixel Buds as well. So you kind of have that option too. You can wirelessly charge it or plug in it and charge it that way as well. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.